What up people, this is Fakemavis, we're on the Maviscraft server, and today we're going to be doing an episode where we're going to be doing a bit of building actually. Going to do it in creative, survival building in creative. We're going to do, well, there's a house in the server here that's been getting a lot of hype, and I'm going to show you how to build it today. So without further ado, kablam, it's Ned's house. Everybody loves Ned's house, and a lot of people have been asking me, how do you build a roof like that? How do you get a house to look so flush with such a nice roof? And today I'm going to be teaching you this. I'm not going to go into everything like the unautomatic farm. Like, we're just going to stick to the just general building, none of this fancy stuff around the window either. I can't do that. So we're just going through here and I'll just show you. We've got features inside here, this intricate roof design here. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to emulate that today, but you know, or the ventilation, I'll do my best on that one. I think I can manage that one. But you know, we're going to show you most of the features that are involved in Ned's house and how you can get one of these for yourself. And yeah, so let's do this. And we're here. We're in the creative world. I've got a little village behind me. Don't look at those houses, they're ugly. I'm going to show you how to build a proper house. You're going to need all these items here. We might not get through all of these items in this episode, but we'll see. You should be able to get on with a lot of it. So you're going to want to do something we call placing. You place these down. You use left trigger to do this. Just place these down in a row. Make sure they're all in the same row, because that's how you're going to get your nice flush design. Just hop up here. Just place some more blocks. We're just placing these blocks in a minute. A lot of this build is going to be placing blocks in a kind of square fashion, but you'll understand it's pretty nice looking at the end of it. So just keep placing like that. We'll go over here, place that one. I'll do that again later. And then, oh no, jump cut. Right, and then we're here. You've got the house built. It's all flush. It's all tidy and complete, and you know, it's set in a nice area with some animals. So we're going to come up to the centre here, and you just make your doorway like that. And that is really nice. So we're just going to place our doors down here. I'm using acacia wood. I have no idea what you used. But like a lot of people, they place their doors on this side, and that gives depth to the build, which sucks. And like, yeah, it's sinking them back from this. You know, we've got this whole flush thing going on that's really hard to achieve, so, and we don't want to just ruin it with the doors. So you come out here and you measure your windows evenly. You make sure that everything is nice. And another thing about this house is it doubles up as like a farm. You can you can just push that peg in there, and that's brilliant. So yeah, let's carry on with the build. Like, we're going to want to get on with the more technical, using these bits here. More technical roof type stuff. And by the way, I'm in creative here, so I can fly up there. If you're in survival, to get up there, you're going to need to do something like this. Just come and block up like this, and then come around here, and then you're just going to be able to get up like that. So make sure, this is like, it gets a bit difficult here. So when you're doing the roof, you've got to place a block like this, and then delete these two blocks. So then you're left with this one block poking over the edge like that. So that's what's going to create the depth and the roof and the whole thing. So come along like, oh, whoops. And then, yeah, no, that's wrong. Take those ones down there. Or just don't put them down in the first place, I suppose. Right, and we come and block up like this, and I've done it wrong again. Right. Right, it's this one here. So if you go along here, right, and then just place it all the way to the end like this, you're going to have a similar thing to what you had at the other side, just with other blocks around it. And then we're just going to come along like this, and then you basically, that's your roof design almost done. So we're getting quite complete here. So you spam a bed down there. Remember, this build is infinitely expandable. We'll just get this window in here, like, that looks nice, and same on the other side, right? And like, yeah, you can obviously put as many beds as you want. And if you dig a hole down there, and then another one down there, you could like have rooms down there. So if we go on with the roof now, like, you're just going to want to place blocks all the way along here, and all the way along here, and along here, and then right up until there, basically. And then, yeah, so now you'll see that the house is looking pretty good. And we're back. We're back in Ned's house, ventilation system. If you screenshot that, you'll see how to do this roof here. And that's a pretty intricate thing. I'm not going to do that. Remember, you know, you can have all your furnaces. That's a redstone furnace, double crafting bench. Yeah, we got the trapdoors infinitely expandable. This is it. So, hope you enjoyed it. Next time we're going to be doing a tutorial on Sean's house. So.